Welcome back guys to a new episode of Breakage Fixes, and on this episode I'm going to be showing you how to fix a retrievable hose. So as you can see, we've broken it. This is supposed to have another hose in it, so it's empty, and this one just cut off the actual hose. See, just to compare it to the one that is fixed, here we go, that's the hose, and this is how it's supposed to look like. And this is how we've got it. So first order of business, take this one off. So you have to do is wiggle this part right out, exposing the hose, the actual hose. There we go. This is now exposed, so we can pull it off just like this. This is what we're gonna need. So both pieces are broken, or more like put as they were. This is how it's supposed to look like. So now we take this green piece off. Let's remove the green part of the hose. So you're going to be needing a friend for this part. He's going to be pulling the green part, and I'm going to be pulling this section. Go ahead. So it's a bit tricky, just push it back with using your own hands, making it easier for you. This is the end result. This is the actual hose, and this is the cover for the hose. This is what makes it more extendable. So for this part, we're going to be using this section, the one we've removed, the correct one. So how to fit this piece back into the cover. We're going to be using a few welding sticks. So by the use of a friend, we're going to be sticking 3 of them into the actual hose. Once properly fitted, it should stick to the sticks, but just to make sure, we're going to be taping them as well. Okay, see, it sticks. So for more precaution, we're going to be taping it as well. So this is how it looks like. First, start by taping this section so it wouldn't get stuck when we're fitting it back to its place. Tape them good together. Once taped, get some leverage to the end so it won't get stuck when we're rolling it back. So this should do the trick. See, it won't get stuck. And on the other side, start by taping this section so it won't slip. Again, tape them tight together. This is the end result. Taped on both sides. This side so going to get slipped back into the green piece. This part. See, when we're fitting it back, it won't get stuck into anything. So the trick is, this will give you some leverage when you're pulling the cover onto it. So it's like, this is an example. So you're gonna pull this section all the way to your first fingers, and then by the help of a friend, he's gonna be doing that part, and you're gonna be holding this section and just pulling the hose into it. And do this several times. I've tied a knot on the other section so they won't slip, and this is how it gets out from the other side. It should take you about 10 well, 5 to 10 minutes if you're using a friend. And then once it's over, just untie the knot we've made, untape that section, and a retrievable hose has been restored to its normal state. So on the other section, we're gonna remove the piece of hose that's sticking in. So use a screwdriver or any sharp tool and remove it as so. So these are the 3 pieces we're gonna be fitting to the hose. So a common mistake is to put directly this section into the hose, but you have to remember to put this thing first. Once that's in, take this little piece, this white piece, and put it with the teeth pointing to the green section. Then, see, there's a tiny lip here that can hold to the hose, so we're gonna be forcing the rubber hose into this section, as so. See? Now the trick is the little piece, the white piece that we've been using, you're gonna be pushing it over the lip like this. See? Once aligned, it should fit properly as this. So once that's done, the most difficult part of this tutorial has been done. So take the edge of this section, just push it like this and drag it all the way up here so that it would fit right on top of this piece, of this white piece. Make sure to have it covering the white piece, because this is what's gonna be holding it together. See? Then grab this piece and just screw it on. Screw it in tight so it won't slip, and you'll have to do this tutorial all over again. There you go. It's fit snug and tight. Do the same on the other section. And this is what your end result should look like. So this part is fitted tight and snug. This section is supposed to be into the garden hose, and this is what will click right into it. Ta-da! And this is, you can fit it in your high pressure water, anything. Done. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos.